we felt the tornado. Like, it literally, I felt it on the ground. Like, it was, I don't know, it was so powerful. It was like, it shook the whole house. I have to vlog it. It was, I was in my room, and all of a sudden the sign went off, so we went in here, and then all of a sudden the house started shaking. It was, oh my god, that's weird.
Quiet.
Oh my god, that was cool. Are you crying? Don't cry. Mom, it's okay. Why are you crying? I told her we would be okay. Hang on. Let me go see if she's okay real fast.
I can tell you it might be one of the last times for a while that you can see us outside. A drastic contrast to the last couple times that we've talked to you. We can definitely tell that we are on the leading edge of this front.
Hey, come here. It's okay, right? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, come here. It's okay.
We gotta go in.
No, it's off. It's fine. It's probably past.
No, if you win, Grace. When gets still break the glass.
To the sky as you look out there, obviously a clearing
Here
over
it
there.
comes.
So hopefully this won't be too bad. But I can tell you that we've heard thunder just within the last couple moments.
That wind just picked up. Come here.
Huge ass rainbow right there.
Huh?
There's a huge ass rainbow. Come here. Oh my god, look at it.
Look how bright it is.
Oh, cool.
Why all of a sudden is it all sunny?
Who knows?
It's pretty good. Hurry up, your phone's gonna get wet.
Okay, guys, so here is the rainbow. I'm sorry, hang on. There we go. There it is. It goes all the way over to there. How beautiful is that? That is so beautiful. Take a moment to enjoy it because it doesn't last very long. Oh, it's so beautiful. I've never seen anything like it that close. It's like, oh, I don't even know. Oh, it's so beautiful. I better get a lot of freaking likes and views on this. You don't see this every day. Most people don't get a shot of this. And it's fading. And it's gone. It's right there. Hope you guys liked the vlog. And I hope you guys liked all the rainbows. There was like 3 different rainbows. There was one, that one. There was one that was going over there. And then there was like a little slight one going up. So, today was a good day. But weird thing is that it was really sunny out, like after all of it. Like the sun was shining so bright, and is that weird?
Morgan County, Owen County, southeastern Putnam County, and northwestern Shelby County. Again, this is a severe thunderstorm warning. That's the reason why it's the yellow box. This one will go until 4:45 behind.
You need to get in your room early. There's a thunderstorm warning.
This line of thunderstorms.
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. That is weird. Do you see that? Where's my finger? There's my finger. That right there? That looks weird. I don't know. That looks really weird.